Alright, today we're going to be watching the worst puppet show ever. 3D animated short. Let's go.
Alright, kids, let's settle down. It's almost time for the show.
Mom!
Oh, there's this kid.
Well, Timmy.
You're getting a grown-ass man with a sock on his hand, and you're gonna fucking like it.
Whoa.
Okay, if anyone needs
calm
me,
down
I'll be
there,
inside preparing the cake. Have fun.
Alright.
Hello, children. I'm Mr. Danny, and this is my special friend, Dooley. Say hi to the nice kids, Dooley.
Sure thing. Just tell me where the nice kids are, because all I see is a bunch of brats.
Now, Dooley, that was very naughty of you. So, what do you have to say to everyone?
Stay in school, or else you'll end up like this chump. That sucked. What was that?
I said that sucked. You're not funny.
Sucked?
Now, Dooley.
You can cut the act. I'm not stupid. I'm 12.
12 what? Donuts
12.
away from diabetes?
What did you just say?
What? You don't speak English? Let me say it in a language you'll better understand. Sure, we can supersize that. You want extra fries too? Whoa! Earthquake! Everyone take cover!
Oh no.
Maybe that's enough, Dooley.
You don't know who you're messing with.
Sure I do! I've seen Free Willy. Great work, by the way.
Dooley, stop it!
No, we really don't need to get your mother out here.
Yeah, leave her out of this. She's still sore from last night.
Whoa.
Let's just say I sucked it to her.
Oh.
Wait, no, please!
Oh.
Oh, I'm gone.
Oh no.
What is all the racket out here?
Oh my god!
What the heck?
By the way, lady, we only take cash.
I have no words for that. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have no words for that. Bye.